Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you download Spriggy Pocket Money application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to download Spriggy, you just simply have to open any of your browser, and after opening the browser simply search for Spriggy, and after searching Spriggy app, this link from Google Play will appear. Just simply open this link from Google Play to download Spriggy application, or you can directly tap to install button in order to install Spriggy into your mobile phone. But in my scenario, I can't download this app because it is not available into my country. You can check out which countries are available to use Spriggy and download it this way. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.